Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD and so on. So in this video I'll be recommending 4 stocks for tomorrow's market or Monday 15th March. So this analysis is for 15th March only. I'll be coming again tomorrow with stocks for 16th March. Okay, and please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So the first stock for the day is Procter and Gamble. Okay, for Procter and Gamble, you can see that the last traded price is 128.14. Okay, this is the last traded price, and you can see that there is a resistance. Okay, just above the closing price, and the resistance is at 128.7. And you can see that yesterday it tried to cross the resistance, but it failed. Day for yesterday, it could not, but before that day it's been trying for around 4 days to cross this particular level of resistance, but it is not or it could not succeed in crossing the resistance. Okay, so there is a high chance that tomorrow market will try to cross the resistance again, and in that case, if you get the stock below this level, okay, let me sorry. Okay, so if you get the stock below 127.6, okay, you can short the stock. Okay, so one below 127.6, if you get the stock, you can short the stock easily. And if I zoom out the chart, you can see that overall the trend of the stock is towards the downside. Okay, so therefore, if we short the stock, we will be staying with the trend. Okay, so 127.6 is the price that you need to keep your eyes on for tomorrow. So the second stock for the day is JP Morgan Chase. For JP Morgan Chase, unlike the previous stock, you can see that it is in uptrend. Okay, just look at the trend and how beautiful the uptrend is. So as the overall trend of the stock is up, so we will only be looking for buying opportunities. So the last traded price of the stock is 156.15. So we will be looking for buying opportunities above this candle. Okay, and that will be 158. So buy above 158 for a target of 159.7. Okay, so buy above 158. 158 is the level. Okay, and you need to for a target of 159.7. So this is the call for JP Morgan Chase for tomorrow. The next stock for the day is this Intel Corporation. For Intel, you can see that yesterday it has closed at 62.90 and there is a resistance, okay, at 62 point, just above it, 62.94 or 95. Okay, and it is kind of struggling in between this range, and yesterday it has made a spinning top kind of a pattern. Spinning top kind of a pattern generally suggests that there is an indecision in the market right now. Neither the buyers nor the sellers are dominating the market. Okay, so price either may go up or price either may go down. In that case, what should be a strategy for Intel Corporation? Strategy is simple. Okay, buy above 63.3. Okay, if you get the stock above 63.3, it's a buy. But just make sure that uh, you wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, just make sure that you wait for 15-30 minutes. Let the stock feel comfortable above the daily resistance. Let the stock be trade naturally. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then only go for a buy above 63.3. On the other hand, if you get the stock below 62.2 level, you can short the stock. Buy above 63.3, short below 62.2. Okay, these are the levels. And the last stock for the day is Disney. For Disney, you can see that it's been trying for last 3 days to cross the daily resistance, which is at 198.5 level, but it has failed. Okay, and ultimately it closed yesterday at 197.16. Day before yesterday also it tried, but it failed, and ultimately it had to close just below the daily resistance. And day before yesterday, before that day also. Therefore, there is a high chance that we will get the stock below 195 level. Okay, so in case if we get the stock or you get the stock below 195 level, you can short the stock. Okay, because the stock is struggling hard, so there is a high chance or probability that sellers will come and push the stock towards the downside. So if you get the stock below 195 level, you can short the stock. So these are the four stocks that you can trade on Monday, 15th March 2021. Okay. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much and see ya tomorrow.